Now I'm in Lifelong Learning Institute to talk about another climate crisis that is affecting the world, which is the seawater rises. If the seawater were to rise 1 to 2 meters, Singapore will be probably underwater in most part of Singapore. And there are some low rising places. For example, in Singapore, in Bukit Timah, they will be affected by this rising of seawater. But this is not only a Singapore issue, because this is a global issue. As long as the polar ice started to melt, as the seawater started to rise globally, there are a lot of low-rise communities in the world will be affected by it. And then you can see that there is actually all the infrastructures that is around at the seaside will all be actually affected. So what are the solutions to deal with this? Maybe the government of the world must start to think like Singapore. The government of Singapore has set aside $100 billion to deal with the coastal seawater rises. And that could take a lot of planning and investment to see how we can forestize ourselves and cycling ourselves to prevent these seawater rises. And at the same time, there may be a need for us to also relocate and retreat some of these low-rise area residents. This is a global issue, and we have to deal with this global issue because of the climate change.